This is the new SuperBox S7 Ultra, SuperBox's most advanced TV box to date. The S7 Ultra sits at the very top of the SuperBox lineup and is clearly aimed at users who want maximum performance, smoother streaming, and long-term reliability. This is the professional edition for 2026, featuring upgraded hardware, a brand new interface, faster connectivity, and a premium metal design. So let's get started. Inside the box, you get the SuperBox S7 Ultra TV box, HDMI cable, power supply, Bluetooth voice control remote, and the user guide. The packaging feels clean and premium, and the setup process is quick and straightforward. Right away, the S7 Ultra feels like a noticeable step up in build quality. It features a solid metal body with SuperBox's signature grey finish, giving it a premium and durable feel compared to earlier plastic designs. Ventilation is handled through side-mounted vents, which help keep temperatures under control even during extended viewing sessions. Overall, it looks modern, feels sturdy, and fits perfectly into a home theater setup. Connectivity is a major strength of the S7 Ultra. These are the port layouts on the left. And here's the ports on the back. This is one of the most complete and versatile port selections I've seen on a TV box. One of the biggest upgrades is the new Bluetooth voice control remote. Backlit buttons, which are extremely useful in dark rooms. Comfortable button layout. Lightweight and easy to hold. The upgraded voice command system works reliably for searching content, opening apps, and basic navigation. For everyday use, the backlit remote alone makes a big difference, especially for nighttime viewing or older users. The SuperBox S7 Ultra runs on Android 12, which feels smooth, stable, and well optimized. Setup is simple and beginner-friendly. With 4 GB DDR RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, performance is noticeably faster than older models, and there's plenty of space for apps, media, and system updates. Navigation is responsive, apps open quickly, and multitasking feels smooth. The S7 Ultra also introduces a brand new modern interface. Clean layout, dark theme, clear text and icons, easy access to favorites, history, and continue watching. Everything feels more organized and intuitive, making it easy for users of all age groups. One standout feature here is the extended 7-day time shift function. Unlike older models with limited rewind, the S7 Ultra lets you jump back up to 7 days on supported channels without scheduling recordings. This makes it incredibly convenient to catch up on missed shows, news, or sports with minimal effort. Thanks to improved infrastructure and upgraded hardware, streaming feels more stable with noticeably less buffering compared to most other TV boxes. Channel loading and playback remain smooth, especially when using Ethernet or Wi-Fi 6. This is a clear improvement over older SuperBox models. The S7 Ultra supports up to 6K resolution, delivering sharp visuals, smooth motion, and rich colors on compatible TVs and projectors. This is especially useful for basic projectors that lack a powerful built-in OS or certified streaming support. The S7 Ultra effectively solves this problem, making even an entry-level projector feel like a high-end setup. You can stream Netflix and other certified apps in high quality with ease. Display modes include SDR, HDR, and Auto, recommended. Auto mode intelligently switches based on the content and your display, ensuring the best possible picture quality. Overall, image quality is clean, consistent, and well-suited for movies, TV shows, and sports. One of the biggest advantages of the SuperBox S7 Ultra is that it's a one-time purchase device, with no monthly subscription required. So is the SuperBox S7 Ultra worth it? If you're looking for a powerful Android TV box with strong connectivity, smooth performance, and convenient features like voice control and 7-day time shift, then the S7 Ultra is absolutely worth considering, and I highly recommend it. This isn't just a small upgrade, it's a clear step forward in performance, usability, and overall experience. Product links and exclusive discount codes are available in the description. If this review was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one soon.